right. Hello, students. Today we're going to go over the 10 fast fingers typing test and how to complete these assignments that you're going to be going over in week number 2 of module 100-1. Now, you are going to have to complete this assignment every day in the second week. So that's 4 days, day number 5, 6, 7, and 8. You are going to have to do this typing test 3 times per day. So there needs to be 3 results submitted per day to get full credit. So again, if you only post 1 result, that's like 30%, 2 results is 60%. If you turn in all 3 results, that's a score of 100. Now, with these typing tests, it's important to note that the score is not going to be taken into consideration when I'm grading these. It's essentially you get 100% because you turned in all 3, or you get a 0 because you didn't turn in any. I'm not looking at the results or judging you off of how fast you can type. This is all an exercise to get better at typing. So you may have done something like this in the past. And if you use a different website, that's totally fine. I had some requests this morning about that. You can absolutely use a different typing test website, but this is just a free one that I'm providing for you to use as well. So if you'd rather use a different one, totally fine, as long as you have those top 3 results for every day that you submit. So today is 9/6, so we're in day number 5 today. And it says click here to access the 10 Fast Fingers typing website. So click here and it'll upload for us. And there's a section of text above with the typing bar here and then a timer. So what's going to happen is as soon as I start to type these words above that are highlighted, it's going to start the timer for me. And you're going to do this 3 times to get 3 separate results to then upload to LMS. So I'm going to walk you guys through doing that, how to save them, and then how to upload them. And I'll show you 2 different ways that you can upload them. Totally up to you how you would like to do that. And again, this is for day number 5, the first day for this evening. And I'll turn it on student view so you'll be able to also see what that looks like when I go to upload. Okay, so we'll just scroll down. One thing to note as well before I start, that's the discussion, is that I do have some videos here on how to take a screenshot if you're using like an HP computer or a Mac, but the website that I have chosen also has the option to screenshot, so you might not need to use those options. So again, those are there if you need it. I'm going to put this video right above it for you guys to see. So you would scroll down to where it says add a submission, but let's get our typing test done here first. So again, I'm going to start up, click into the typing bar here. And as soon as I start to type, you're going to see that the countdown will start for 1 minute. So you're going to start typing and it is sensitive. So be aware if you have something capitalized, it's going to say it's wrong if it doesn't require it to be. Now, if you start to spell something wrong, it's going to highlight in red. So that means that you can actually space back and correct it and space forward and it'll still be green and correct. If you don't type it correctly and you space forward, it's going to record it as red, which means it's going to count as an error against you. To remind you, I don't care how fast you are. I don't care how many you get right or wrong. The whole purpose of this assignment is for you to just do it and get practice typing. So again, you're going to go through and type for a whole minute. It's not really like particular sentences or words that necessarily string into each other. It's kind of just a lot of random words. So again, you're going to type as good as you can and definitely be practicing those typing skills as you're doing this. And at the very end, it'll calculate a result for you. So this is my result here. It says I got 20 words per minute. I got 20 correct words and 1 incorrect word. So in order to save this, to upload this to LMS, I'm going to press the screenshot button here right next to result. I'm going to press screenshot. When I do that, it's going to bring it up in a separate web page like this. And this is where I can do the right click and press save as. And I'm going to save this image as typing test 1. And I'm going to save it on my desktop. So as you can see, when I move my web page here it is, typing test 1. Okay, so we're going to do this 2 more times to have all 3 here. Okay, so to do it again, you're just going to press this little circular arrow button. It'll restart it. and we can do this one more time. So again, it's going to be case sensitive. Make sure you have all the punctuations in there, capitalize it or leave it lowercase when it's asking you to. And it's only for 1 minute. So this assignment shouldn't take you any more than 10 minutes to do every day. Be aware, you need to have 3 different results. I will look at all of your results, and if I notice that they're matching and you're using the same one over again, guess what? That's called cheating. It's plagiarism. If that happens, I unfortunately will have to give you an academic advisement and write you up, and I don't want to do that. So do the assignment. It's going to take you a little longer to get all 3 results in there and get it saved and all of that. Trust me, just get it done. It's way, way worth just doing rather than the hassle. And again, please don't try to cheat through it. Just get it done. You only have to do it for week number 2. That's actually something I really pushed for when we were revamping the courses. It used to be for both weeks. So you guys do have the advantage. You only have to do it for week number 2. Okay, so now I have my second result here. Leslie, to answer your question in the chat, I do not recommend that you take a screenshot on your phone, because if you do it on your phone, I don't know if it's going to upload to LMS very well. You can try, but I might be emailing you, letting you know that I can't view the image, because usually I want you to save it as like a PNG or a PDF. Those are kind of the 2 forms that you can use, or a doc to upload it. So if it's a JPEG, it usually doesn't show up very well for me. So just to let you know, I advise you to do it this way. I'm also going to show you how to put it in a Google document if you'd rather upload it that way. So I will show you another way. Okay, I have my second result now. So again, I'm going to press on screenshot again. Right click, save image as. This is now typing test 2. Okay, I am going to do it one more time. I know, guys, it's repetitive, but one more time for the example. So I'm going to start my last typing test. And again, all I pressed was this little circle arrow button to reset that test. And typing through. Almost done, about 30 more seconds. And then I'll save this just like I saved the other one, and then go to LMS to upload. And then again, I'm going to show you how to also, if you want to put all of these images into like one Word document and submit, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Again, it's just kind of redundant. Just got to do it a few times. You will not have to do this in module 100-2. It's only for week number 2 of 100-1. So that's really nice. Okay. All right, 37 words per minute. Okay, last one. So same thing, screenshot, right click, save image as, and this is now my typing test 3. Okay, save. So if I move my screen here, now you can see I have typing test 1, 2, and 3 right here. So let's go to LMS. Let's upload these. So now I'm going to go back into the assignment. Again, today is day number 5 for typing test. Scroll on down, add my submission. Scroll down again. And then from here, I can either drag and drop or press the add submission file, and I'm going to show you both. Yeah, and they should be giving you different words every time you do the typing test. It should be like resetting it completely every single time. It's okay if you get the same word count. Your errors might be different. The time is usually different on it. So just, it's okay if you accidentally get the same word answer. But again, I'm just looking for people to not be copying and pasting that one result for all 3 and trying to pull one on me. So please don't do that. Just do your work, do the 3 separate and upload those. Yeah, no worries. If you can't actually screenshot it, just do it the way that I'm showing you here. When you see the result, press screenshot, come here, right click, save image as, and save it on the desktop. That's what I recommend that you do. Okay, so now that we're in this middle window and I have them saved on my desktop, I can literally just go like this, 1, 2, and 3, and I can drag and drop all 3. Again, I can also click into it and delete them out of there. And I can upload them this way. I can, under file, it'll say add. I can click on that and choose file from here. Typing test 1, open, upload, and do it again for number 2, open, upload, and again for number 3. And once I have all 3 in there, I'm going to press save changes. And now it's all done. It'll say submitted for grading. It's all good to go. Again, to get to this website, make sure you're clicked into week number 2 and scroll all the way down to where it says 10 fast fingers typing test. And you're going to click here where it says click here to access the website. So click here, or even the title is hyperlinked too. So click right up here to access it, and then you're going to click into day number 5 to submit. Now, the other way that you can submit, if you don't want to save them on your desktop and do it, the submission that I just showed you, I'm going to remove it. You can also put these images in a Google Doc. So to get on Google Docs, you just log into your email. You press the little apps button next to your name up in the top or right corner, and then press into Docs. When you press into Docs, you'll be brought here, and then you can press on the add a blank button to start a new one. From here, you're in a new document. You can go to those typing test results that we just had, right click, copy image. Come to that document, and for my computer, it's Command V to paste them. You can also right click and press paste as well. So copy, come here, right click and paste. And the last one, copy image, right in here and paste. So that would be all 3 in a Word document. And then you would just title that your typing test day 5. From here in Google Docs, in order to download it, to upload it to LMS, you press File, go to Download, and download it as a PDF, you guys. That's going to be the best format that you can upload it to LMS when using Google Docs. And this is how you can save any Google Docs from here. File, download, PDF. From there, I can then save it to my desktop. Okay, save. And here it is. And it's all 3 of them saved together. And then same routine from here to upload to LMS. Go back to this page, press add a submission, scroll on down, and I can either drag and drop this or press add and add it from there, save changes, and submit. So guys, that's how you're going to be completing your typing test for week number 2 in module 100-1.